Yeah, I just want to get a good video of what you've got.
Oh, thank you. I just thought sometimes people take good pictures.
No. I've got a YouTube channel, so I've got a YouTube channel, so it'll be going on that.
Thank you very much for that.
So you've got beef, turkey, gammon and pork, and obviously your Yorkshire puddings. Stuffing, roast potatoes. This vegetable gratin is absolutely beautiful. Excuse me, I'm not going to film you. What actually is in your vegetable gratin? Because it's lovely.
So we have garlic butter, cream and stock.
Right,
And then it's sliced potatoes, sliced butternut squash.
right, that's fine. Thank you.
No worries.
I might try replicating that at home. Macaroni cheese, which is a little bit dry. Carrots, peas, obviously Savoy cabbage, and really creamy cauliflower cheese. Steve went for the extra large with all 3 meats and mash as well as his roasties. I went for the turkey, and let's see what this Toby Carver is like.